And we're launching, and we're crashing. Let's hit the pigs till they all go pop. We're the best birds, but we're angry. If you take our eggs, we're never gonna stop. Every female library will get 3 stars and set you straight. Maybe find a golden egg and win until the next update. Screw the pigs, the wearing helmets, hard hats, using tricks, fake mustaches and green skin. It don't matter cause I know I'm gonna win. Birds on my side, they're pretty fly. Launch them in the air, the pigs can't hide. It's totally fair, you took her eggs like a spy. And besides, I got my finger as a guide. Touch the screen, the birds are angry, mean. They don't stop on Christmas or Halloween. They're always gonna switch to a different theme. They're definitely making up the greatest team. Got that slingshot and pull it back. Aim for the right spot, then attack. You took our eggs, that was whack. And if you do it again, we're coming back. But sometimes you pigs just won't go. Always come again like 4 in a row. We gotta get them to stop cause they will overflow. Say goodbye, no hello. Stop your laughing and stop the snatching. We don't have eggs so we don't have hatch. Get ready for the birds who are so diverse. Let's talk about them in the next verse.